Introducing the 2010 Hyundai Genesis Coupe. This two-door, four-passenger coupe just recently passed the 50,000-mile mark. Hyundai made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Under the hood, you'll find a six-cylinder engine with more than 300 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. A wealth of standard features mean that you no longer have to sacrifice, like leather upholstery, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, remote keyless entry, and more. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.